is Katie from Tiny Disney Details. Today we're at Disney's Contemporary Resort. We are at Chef Mickey's at the Contemporary. We're gonna have breakfast. Let's go. At Chef Mickey's and it was delicious. We loved it. The characters didn't come out, so that was a little sad, but that's because just of the situation with COVID right now. Normally they would come out and grade all the kids and it would be a blast. The food was delicious and there was so much to choose from, so we really liked it. The price was a little bit higher, but with our annual pass discount it was great and we would totally come back. Thank you guys for joining us at Chef Mickey's. Let me know now if you're gonna eat there or if you've been there and you loved it just as much as we did. If you're not yet following me on Instagram, go to The Tiny Disney Details and make sure to follow and subscribe to YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye.